Welcome, Aries. This is the week of the 11th until the 17th. All right, there is a lot of problems, Aries, concerning a lot of money. They are now going to be recognizing no success for you, Aries. Whatever is going on here is there's a lot of conflicts surrounding a whole lot of money. A tower moment for a Leo man. You Aries that is in business with a Leo man, a tower moment. All right, so no success. A conflict is now going to be over. The energy of the Ten of Pentacles, they're recognizing what a Pisces or a Gemini family or a Cancer family, ruin for a Cancer family and a Scorpion family. They now gain a lot of knowledge over these people and a whole lot of money. They now recognize the secrecy surrounding a Libran and a whole lot of money. Wow. So, Aries, whatever is going on and transpiring, they're now gaining a lot of knowledge. And Leo is in a whole lot of competition and conflicts with you, Aries, surrounding money. The energy of the Lotoya is here where there could be some sort of a legal suit and no success for you, Aries, because they're now going to be gaining a lot of knowledge. How you, Aries, and a Libran manipulated a situation and took a whole lot of money from a family. Now, a lot of you, Aries, um, have to pay back a lawyer or pay some sort of a legal situation. And if you look in your house, Aries, there's no success with a legal suit. And you, Aries, that had collaborated with a Libran and took a whole lot of money from a family, they're now getting to the bottom of the situation. So if you notice the 10 of swords and the 10 of cups, so a lot of problematic situation for you, Aries, and your family concerning money. um the energy of the Liberans is that they're not going to be gaining that you, Aries, with some sort of a legalities or with a Libran, I formulated a plan and took a whole lot of money. Okay, so um, a Leo man is now in a lot of problem. A Leo man, whether this is a lawyer, a businessman, is in a lot of problems with legalities, paying back a whole lot of money. This person is going to be ruined, because whatever is going on, a Libran person, they now recognize our Libran person and their family had gained a lot of money. And this Libran and their family is now going to be ruined because of you, Aries. And this is a problematic situation because whatever is happening and transpiring here, they're gaining knowledge of you, Aries, that is either married to a Cancer or had collaborated with Cancer. I see a lot of problematic situation dealing with people in authority. And I see protection is going to be coming up for a Capricorn person because they recognize that you, Aries man, together with a Leo man, and manipulate the system and took a whole lot of money from a family and tried to ruin a family, and they're now gaining a lot of knowledge. So Monday is not really a positive day for Aries businessmen. The rest of you are okay if you have nothing to do with legalities. Then they're now going to be recognizing that a Leo man had co-create a whole lot of problematic situation, and they're now gaining a whole lot of information of what was happening and transpiring. A huge conflicts, and a Libran is now a Leo, and a Libran is now worried because they now gain knowledge that a Libran and a Leo took a whole lot of money from a family. Now, if you notice, the 10 of Cups is where there is no success concerning a problematic situation with a Cancer and a Pisces, because this Pisces family is ruined because they recognize how much money a Cancer took from a family, and they are now gaining a lot of knowledge. And this is serious because I see a tower moment for a Leo person, And it's as if you, Aries and a Leo, is going to be falling out over a whole lot of money. So, there is some serious consequences issue. The Three of Swords in the reverse has to do with changes for a Libran and its family. A Libran and its family is ruin, and they're going to be blaming you, Aries, for it. Okay, so Aries, I don't know what is going on between you and Libran. Um, Aries that is having relationship problems with a Libran, whatever is happening and transpiring, a lot of people are going to be gaining a lot of knowledge, okay? So a lot of you Aries are standing your ground against a Leo and a Sagittarian. Now, if you notice, whatever is transpiring, a lot of you Aries businessmen um, have no success with a problematic situation concerning a Leo, and you're trying to stand your ground against this Leo. But if you notice, on Wednesday, the conflicts is going to be over because a Libran is now going to be working in collaboration with a Leo to resolve a situation and return a whole lot of money. So Aries who are having issues with Librans and Leo, the Librans and the Leo is going to be working against you, Aries, because they now recognize that they're in a whole lot of problems with the law concerning a whole lot of money and a family. And a Libran is now going to be recognizing that they and their family could be ruined. And some of you Aries and your family could be ruined, especially Aries that had collaborated and worked against a Pisces family, because they now are going to be gaining knowledge and recognize that you Aries had really collaborated and worked against a Pisces family. And whatever you Aries had done to the Pisces family, you try to ruin the Pisces family for whatever the reason is, but it's as if it backfire on you Aries. Is a situation that um, because of hate and jealousy, it backfires. So um, you know, you try to create a whole lot of chaos for a Pisces family and a Gemini family, and these families, whatever you would plan to create for these families, they have regained some sort of a balance, because the Ten of Swords is not the sun in Gemini. They're now recognizing that the Gemini family in another place took a whole lot of money and help you Aries to accumulate a whole lot of money. A lot of you Aries whose parents or Geminis, they're going to be tracing money back to where money went, and recognize that you Aries had given a Gemini in another place or another city a whole lot of money. So a Gemini family is now ruined because of a Gemini and a Libran family is ruined because of you Aries, and a whole lot of money, because there is a Pisces family, a Gemini family, a Cancer family that is basically ruined. And they're going to be recognizing that you Aries and a Libran had such a huge hate towards um, a Pisces family and a Gemini family. And these people are like looking and thinking, why would you do this? Why would you brought us in this unfavorable situation? So no success for you Aries that is married to a Cancer. No success that is Aries that is married to Libran. They're going to be recognizing that you Aries that is married to Cancers and Libran, you and your family has took a whole lot of made a whole lot of money off other people families back. So the success that a lot of you Aries businessmen was hoping for, waiting for, is not going to be happening. And a lot of you Aries are now going to be trying to stand your ground to end some sort of a conflict that is going on between you and the Libran. And I see that a Cancer family is now ruined, and this Cancer family is ruined because of the decision that you Aries had made. that's caused this family a lot of chaos and confusion. So there is a lot that is happening in this week, because a lot of people are going to be gaining knowledge that a Gemini family could have took a whole lot of money and could have helped you, Aries. And if your like parents were Geminis and you, Aries, gave them a whole lot of money, a whole lot of questions, people in authority is now questioning and going back to look for this money. Okay, so problematic situation and sorrows, a whole lot of sorrow. And a whole lot of you Leo, Aries men are having problems with Leos, and the Leos are standing their grounds against you, Aries. So it is a serious, serious case of annulment, chaos, trying to end some sort of a chaotic problem surrounding a whole lot of money. And they're going to be recognizing that you, Aries men, have used families um, to accumulate your riches. And I see, there a Leo recognized that a huge ending is coming up for them, and this Leo is trying to like protecting themselves from you, Aries. So whatever is going on, legalities, no success is going to be coming up. And they're going to be going in search of a whole lot of money, Aries, especially no success with people in authority. Okay, because here it's as if a Pisces and a Gemini family is now saying, hey, but this Aries person is the one who got us in this situation. So a lot of you Aries, whatever is going on, a lot of heartbreaks concerning a situation with Aquarians and Capricorns. And here it's as if a Sagittarian person is working together with a Leo to stand up against you, Aries, and ending a huge conflicts that has been going on. So when we look in your money house, Aries, there is a lot of dismay, a lot of unhappiness concerning your money. And when we look in friendship house, this is not looking good because of money, a huge amount of money. Um, it's costing you your friendship, Aries, whatever that you have got in. And when we look at the family house, the family is in array. And in the house of the Leo is working together with a Sagittarian to stand up against you, Aries. Now, a Virgo businessman is now collaborating with a Sagittarian and is working against you, Aries. So, you Aries are, it's a sticky, sticky week because there's a lot of money that there is a lot of sadness and regrets about. So Monday, Aries businessman, no success. Tuesday, you're trying to stand your grounds to resolve some sort of a situation with a Sagittarian and a Leo. Wednesday, a conflict is going to be finally over. Thursday, a lot of unhappiness. Thursday and Friday, the family is not very happy about a situation that has been going on. Saturday, Sunday, there is just problems at home. It's as if you Aries, the family is ruined because of money, some sort of a communication with money. And it's as if you Aries and a Leo, with some sort of a communication, things that was said and things over money is creating a whole lot of chaos in the family. Okay, so a whole lot of stuff is going to be coming up. And a lot of you Aries are having some sort of a conflict with a Leo. Okay, and this conflicts with this Leo is costing not only you but the family a whole lot of stress. Okay, and they're now in search of a whole lot of money, and they're recognizing that a Libran and a Gemini, whoever this Libran and this Gemini is, have took a whole lot of money. Okay, and this is a Pisces family, a Cancer family, a Scorpion family. The water sign families are in ruins, because it's as if you Aries have cost them a lot of money in however in whatever the way is, whether you are working with these people, whether you create damage for these people, whatever is going on. And they're not recognizing that a Libran family, how much money a Libran family has um, um, accumulated, and they're getting to the bottom of the situation. So I see, a Libran is very upset with you, Aries. Okay, and a Libran is going to be decided to collaborate with a Leo to end some sort of a conflicts that is going on. So however that is affecting you guys. So Monday is an emotional day. Tuesday, you're standing your ground. Wednesday, you're trying to end some sort of a conflict. Thursday, heartbreaks about a whole lot of money for you Aries businessmen and a Virgo man. Friday, a family is now in a whole lot of problem. This is a Pisces or a Cancer family or a Gemini family is in a whole lot of problems surrounding a whole lot of money. And in the weekend, there's a lot of ruin. A lot of families are being ruined, and they are going to be, you know, you you Aries are going to be the one that these family are going to be saying, look, you ruined our family because of you have dragged us in something that was not based on factual truth, and our family is now in a whole lot of problems surrounding a whole lot of money. So however this is coming up, Aries, you're going to be having to deal with this. Not all of you, some of you. For the rest of you, it's not really a week to do anything, make any big decision. Okay, namaste.